Hey everyone, Ken and Ashley back at Triangle Tech, and if you are looking for a career that's pretty hot, welding might be for you. All jokes aside, Ashley, tell the people what they need to know about the Triangle Tech Welding Program.
All right, thank you. Well, hello, my name's Ashley. I'm our Associate Director of Business Development here at Triangle Tech. Really excited to tell everybody a little bit about our school, our programs, and our Welding and Fabrication program. So Triangle Tech, we are a trade school that offers associate's degrees in specialized technology done in 16 months. We actually got started in 1944 in Pittsburgh, and we still have a location in the north side, and we've since expanded to 5 other locations throughout the state. We're in Greensburg, DuBois, Sunbury, Bethlehem, and Chambersburg as well. And we are a nationally accredited school by the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges, which means your degree is going to be nationally recognized. So a little bit about our Welding and Fabrication program. Students are going to learn 4 different processes: MIG, TIG, stick, and flux core on both plate and pipe. They'll also test for 3 different certifications with the American Welding Society, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and the American Petroleum Institute. So some of the other services that we offer for our students, we do have financial aid, so we have people that would sit down with students, help them fill out a FAFSA form, see what they may qualify for. We have career advising to assist with job placement, continual for graduates as well. 90-day guarantee to employers, free refresher classes for graduates, free tutoring, so a lot of good services for both students and graduates. So if you think you might be a hands-on worker, please check out our site listed below.
Folks, all jokes aside, a career in welding is not playing with fire. So if you're interested, all the information below. As always, PCSI is here to help.